Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device and preparing safely. You need Android for the simplest path because iOS restricts app sideloading. If you insist on iOS, expect extra steps. Once done, enable unknown sources or install a trusted APK manager so files can be added. Make sure to back up your Btroblox data and note your login info to avoid losing progress. This reduces risk and saves time. Now you're ready to download and verify the Btroblox package. You'll now install and configure Btroblox. First, confirm the APK matches your Btroblox app version. Mismatches cause crashes. Then install the APK and accept permissions when prompted, because the mod needs access to overlays and storage to work. Once installed, open the app and navigate to Btroblox settings. Enable preferred features like ESP, UI tweaks, or performance guards. Make sure to test a single feature at a time so you can isolate issues. This step gets finished by restarting your device to clear residual conflicts and ensure overlays initialize correctly. This often prevents first-run bugs. Then log into Btroblox and verify functionality in a safe, low-risk server or local place. If you encounter crashes or login issues, clear app cache and data, or reinstall the original Btroblox APK, then reapply the mod carefully. Make sure to maintain backups and avoid automatic updates that break compatibility. If something goes wrong, restore your backup and retry stepwise to identify the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.